All right, today we got a little air conditioner. Well, not a little air conditioner, a heavy duty air conditioner we're going to set up on our window. This is a brand new room that we're building here. We're going to put it on this window here. Now, just to let you know, this one goes up to 380 square foot. All right, so it's going to cover this amount of area here that we're actually setting up. Today we're just going to set up about before. I'm going to show you guys. It comes with the actual covers for it. And actually the metal pieces to hang it too, because we're gonna need that. And this is a 110, all right, to power it up. And of course, we're gonna show you a little bit more after we finish it. Right now, we're just using this light. It's a little dark in here, but it's perfect. That's the only time we could work at night when it's not hot. So let's go ahead and put it together.
So this is, I know this is a 110, 115 volt because it's a regular outlet. We didn't get a 220, we just got a 110 volt.
Now, another thing is that it does come with the reset and the test, all right? So if you don't get any power, it's because it's probably has to be reset, all right? All right, just to let you know, the drain pipe is down here, and this is where you're gonna tie it down, all right? It's easy. Now, you're gonna have to lock it in place on the bottom when you drill the actual setting. So it goes through, it locks in place. Your window needs to be compatible this way, right? So if it's a slider or an opener, you can do it. Now, if it doesn't fit your window, you could do it sideways, all right? It's not recommended, but it's necessary. Sometimes people don't have space enough, and this is perfect for that. So right now, we're gonna put it in this window here, which we measured it from side to side. Now, we are gonna add our own cover because you have to customize our cover. We're gonna customize our cover here and set it up for this machine here and make sure that you have all the proper stuff, including the insulation. They give you insulation, double insulation, and then they give you this bracket that locks in place the whole entire thing, and you drill it down to the actual plate or the box that you have in the bottom. Now, one thing that I noticed, these are actually to get air from coming out. They're made of silicone rubber, a kind of to keep the whole entire thing enclosure, right? So these go lock in place pretty much in here. If you guys can see, they lock in place. And if you have a big gap, it'll just automatically fill in the gaps. All right, we just turned it on for the first time. We're gonna set up our Wi-Fi connection right now, but I wanna show you some of the controllers. So you got your power on, your fan, your air con, right? Right now you can use it as a fan or cooling, right? Right now, it's gonna give you the Fahrenheit or Celsius. We're at 81 right now. So we set it up to 59 high right now. So it's gonna lower it down right now. We're trying to get it cool, nice and cool. There's a reset button for the filter because you have to clean the filter. Dehumidifier, it's built in the actual system. There's 2 in 1, like I said, you know. So we're gonna cover the top right now and keep it enclosed in here. So right here, see how you set this up? We're gonna go down right now to, we're gonna get it nice and cold. We're gonna go down to the 60s. Let's see how lowest we can go. We're gonna see what 60s is the lowest we can go, right? So right now we're gonna cool. And the air is going to start coming in. So we're going to let it run for a bit. 80 here. It's going to continue right now. So you can monitor on this side. And this is what it is. The room temperature currently is at. All right, let's take a look at the controller itself. On the controller, you got your power, the humidifier, and then you have your cool system, plus and minus, eco mode. This is a quiet mode, save you conserve power. And then of course you have fan, and you got your timer. You got a sleep mode. And you could change the Celsius to Fahrenheit. And check this out. This is for a swivel. So if I do a swivel, the whole system's gonna start circulating the fan up and down, all right? And this is perfect for those that need circulation in throughout the fan. Right now we have the window open, but we're gonna close it up. We're setting up a piece right now so it can completely cover up. Oh, that feels so good. So you're gonna need the barcode, and the barcode takes you to the actual, see the barcode? It's gonna take you to the app right now. It should pop up in a bit. All right, we're gonna open it because we're gonna set up the app, all right? And allow it all the time, and then we're gonna register. So you're gonna have to register. All right, we're gonna add the device to the system. So we're gonna add device. All right, so you do have to hit the Wi-Fi to turn it on, and you see it just came up right now. We're gonna go ahead and connect. Now we're gonna set up to our Wi-Fi here. All right, so we're setting it up already, and if you guys can see, it's doing the updates right now. So we're gonna wait. Now you could rename it if you want, or we're gonna keep it as it is right now. But from here, we're able to control the system. If you guys can see, right now it's at 60. I'm gonna move this up so you guys can see that I'm controlling it. See that? 71 I went on it, right? So from here, go back to 60. And then we could always change the speed. Right now we have it on highest, but we can always go to the automatically. There it is. You have to double click, I guess. And then we're back at high right now. So you have a chance to set up schedules here. You could set up your different modes, child lock, so nobody can mess with this thing even if they push the power on. You could turn it off from here. And if you guys could see the swivel, right now we have it on, the swivel. We just hit that and turn it off. Look at that. We're just gonna leave it as is. We just turn off the swivel. But if you want to turn on the swivel remotely, so this whole system, very important thing, all right? Don't do this while it's running. I'm gonna show you a couple of things. There's a little figures here, hand figures, all right? You push them down, right? And that's where the filter's at. You are gonna have to clean this manually, all right? With an air, all right? With air can or air, some sort of air, but make sure you clean that out because that's gonna collect a lot of dust in here and it's gonna push it back out. Now, this part is great because the air is coming our direction. This room is gonna be, it's a brand new room that we're setting it up in here, but it already feels super cool as it is. So I'm gonna show you the thermal. All right, we are getting about 60, 50. It's blowing out really cold air. I like the system. Everything else turns red except for the actual vent where the air's coming out. If you guys can see, 62 Fahrenheit, 59. We got pretty good heat sources there. And you can see right underneath there is a little hotter, but it is blowing really good cold air. So if you are worried about, not feeling enough the air in your room, this is going to work really well to fill a large room too also. All right now we're still under construction, but overall we set this up because we're going to be working here all weekend, and without this we wouldn't be able to work in here at all. But this thing is working fantastic. So if you guys are looking for an air conditioner for this summer, and right now we set up our board completely covered so no air is going to come in or out. It's waterproof, and I'm going to show you the back out. Now here's the back end of the pipe. If you guys can see, it has our drain pipe here, and you can feel the heat out here of all the air coming out of it. But you can see the inside, how it sticks out. You are going to need some space out here, and we're in night mode right now, but it looks beautiful, great. Pipe's not draining right now. We haven't got any moisture yet, but this is where you're going to need some space also to drain. So overall, if you guys are looking for a great place to set up a window air conditioner, this is it. This is a perfect way to actually set it up. Plenty of controls, plenty of options. You could remote, you could Wi-Fi, or you could manually do it. So we do have a connection. We are going to set up a plug down there, but in the meantime, we have it here. It's running pretty good. We're going to close the door and leave it here running for a couple of hours, and we're going to start working at night. But right now it feels fantastic. The air is very strong and powerful. Beautiful unit.